Hey, what's up guys? Matt with the Movement System. Today we're going to be reviewing the On running shoes. This is not sponsored. They didn't send these out to us or anything. We just like the shoes and figured we'd make a video. So what we have here, this is the Cloudflow. This is more of a longer distance running shoe. They say 5Ks, 10Ks, up to marathons. I'll probably use this for 5K at most distance and then everyday type use. But they do have the Cloud running shoe. So the Cloud running shoe is the one that we've had for a year now, and it's super beat up, but I've gotten a good use out of it. I mostly just use it for everyday use with some running, but it's literally worn apart and it was time to upgrade, so these are the new ones that I'm getting. And then my fiance Katie, she got the CloudX, so these are going to be the CloudX's. They're more of a training shoe, more for like weightlifting, HIIT training, group classes. So she's gonna be using it for that type of purpose. They also do have weatherproof shoes, so ones that are waterproof. I imagine those are more stiff. These are both pretty light in area, and we're gonna actually take a look at these in more detail now. Okay, so these are the Cloudflow, and I got them in a black asphalt. I actually really like the style of these. They're a little bit more heavy duty feeling than the original Cloud that I got. So just to compare, this one's the one that was a year old now, super beat up. This is actually one thing I want to note. Stuff does get stuck in between the teeth there, so that is something to think about. Okay, some pros and cons about the Cloud before I get into the Cloudflow. The Cloud, I've had it for about a year now. It's really roomy and a super comfortable shoe. I really like these slip-on laces. At first, I thought like they would be a loose shoe. Most of the time, whenever you have an elastic lace, it's not tight enough on your foot to actually run. But these slip on easily and they're fairly tight. Right now they're a little bit older, so they're getting looser, but overall the lace has been really effective for actually keeping the shoe as a good fit, and I haven't had to tie it, which has been a huge bonus. Other pros, it has a big wide toe box, so you have a lot of room there. It's true to size, so I always get an 11.5 and this fit perfectly. It's a really lightweight shoe, so this is super breathable, and overall it's just held up really well. Some cons to this shoe. They are fairly expensive, over $100 for a running shoe. Another thing is that this isn't a true long distance running shoe. This is more of an everyday shoe. So I wouldn't go out on long runs with this type of a shoe. I would get Cloudflow or one of their other long distance type running shoes. You will run into the problem of getting some rocks stuck in the bottom. You'll occasionally have to reach down and pluck the rocks out of the cracks there. So something to think about. So again, this is an everyday shoe, so it's not super good for agility type work. If you're gonna change directions or go, run around in the grass, your foot will slide around a little bit in the shoe that way. And also the bottom is a little bit slick if it's raining, so I wouldn't use this as like a hiking shoe. Again, it's just an everyday use shoe. It's very comfortable as an everyday use shoe, and it fits that purpose very well. If this review's been helpful for you so far, make sure you hit the like button. All right, so now getting into the Cloudflows. This is more of a running shoe. Comparing it to the Cloud, it's a little bit more sturdy around the heel. So you can actually see this has a much more rigid heel cup in the bottom there, and also the lining up onto the top of the heel is a little bit more hard. So I imagine that would hold up better over time and also be better for running and holding the heel in place. So this is a fairly breathable shoe. If you're running in the summer, this would be great. It has a lot of airflow through it. I would imagine the waterproof ones and some of the other shoes that they have available would be more of a winter type running shoe. On the bottom, what you'll see, there's a lot of grip on the toe, and then the heel portion of this has that grip, and it's a little bit different right there in the middle. So it says that the Cloudflow has Helion Super Foam for soft landing and explosive takeoff. So I imagine that's this black portion here at the bottom and at the forefoot here. So the idea there is that it absorbs some shock in the back and then also helps you with the springy type effect on the push off there. All right, so I'm gonna go try these on and give you my first impressions. Okay, so first impressions, these are a lot softer than I expected actually. There's a good amount, but not an intrusive amount of arch support here. I got an 11.5 in the Cloud and the Cloudflow, and they both fit the same to me. There's plenty of room. I have a fairly narrow foot. It definitely doesn't feel squished to me. I imagine if you have a narrow or a normal width foot, you'll feel pretty good in these. Honestly, these are really comfortable. And then one other thing to note is I felt like the forefoot was really responsive. You can actually feel the ground a lot better in these than thicker running shoes of different brands that I've tried. Okay, and these are the CloudX's. This is what my fiance decided to go with. Initially, she had the Clouds as well, but she decided to go to the CloudX, which is more of a training shoe. This has a little bit more lateral support, still a very lightweight shoe, so the front of this is very similar, even more lightweight than the Cloudflow. A little bit less support in the back. This is actually a little bit more flimsy in terms of the heel than the Cloudflow. You can see it's built up around that heel cup in the same way. And just in comparison to the Cloud does have those elastic laces, so it's more of a slip-on. The CloudX is a tied shoe. So overall, I was happy with the Clouds. Liked them, got a good use out of them for the last year or so, and then decided to go with the Cloudflows for the next year. So far, so good. And if you do end up getting them, I hope you have a good experience with them. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks. It has elastic laces. My computer's right there. If this review's been helpful for you so far, make sure you hit the like button. Breathing heavier, I'm running up the stairs.